Due to what can only be described as miraculous luck, Ratchet has made it all the way to the Vindicator tournament. But before he earns the rank of Vindicator, he'll have to survive the Battledome's deadliest challenges yet, and then take on the Eviscerator! It's time for the weapon cycling round. This time, Juanita and I will choose which weapons Ratchet can use from moment to moment. Are you ready, Juanita? Star is unstoppable. You folks at home can dial the number at the base of the screen now to vote for your favorite weapon. Here comes the audience. Choice weapon in 3, 2, 1. There it is. Let's see how he does with this. Try this one on for size, you filthy longbags.